Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2011 Honda CBR600RR Supersport inline 4-cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled, beautiful satin black, smoke windscreen, flush mount turn signals. This bike is in beautiful condition, just acquired from its original owner with only 16,000 miles on it. Come by, make your super sport dreams come true for just $69.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh man, that thing is a powerhouse. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.